Ayan, basura day today. Hindi pa nakuha. So, nakuha na yung blue bin. Yeah, boy. I don't know why it's later. I guess it's better because pag may basura ka pa, pwede mo pa ihabol. Pero minsan naman, dati maaga, masyadong maaga. Ngayon late na. Magano tayo? Mag-upgrade tayo ng firmware sa Canadian Brewhouse C3350i. So, buksan natin yung ating laptop habang nakikinig tayo sa Musundalus. This word's not much. Anyways, yeah, i-download ko na dito yung firmware kasi mas mabilis dito kaysa pagka yung i-download ko on site. So, I just need maybe 2 USB and then the extract all, tapos yung folder sa na-extracted i-copy mo dun from that folder and then put it in USB. Tapos nile-label ko na lang pagka finormat ko para alam ko kung ano yung nasa loob. Yan ang unang gamit natin. Ihawin natin to. Dinifrost ko muna. Lagay ko sa fridge overnight. Nalagyan ko kaya ng dito, aluminum foil para hindi dumikit. Pag-isipan ko mamaya. Yan, sinubukan nating anong tawag nito, ito yung tilapia ng walang aluminum foil. Kailangan pala tanggalin mo yung mga kasi pupunta doon as parang basura. So kailangan linisin yung mga tail, ganyan, tsaka yung palikpik, alisin para buo siya. Tapos madikit siya nung inano ko, piniflip ko nito. Ito muna nung una, tong kaso nakadikit. So yan, sarap naman, tikman natin. Pag nasa foil parang basa-basa, medyo moisty. Pag ganito wala sa foil, siya, dry, which is good for pag nagkamay. Tilapia, may pala yun, gills pa, hindi ko naalis. Tsaka may tayo, kamatis tsaka sibuyas. Kain tayo. Hello mga kabayan, kumusta na? Yan, tayo, Thursday, almost weekend, and I'm going for a course sa HP. It'll take 2 days daw, so there's a lot of modules ahead for this HP courses. So we'll just taken away.
A few moments later.
Good morning! Kumusta kayo mga kabayan? Ayan, magana tayo ng palit tayo ng gulong. Oops. At samahan ko si Esme para hindi siya nag-go, naka-yellow. Dito ka, lipat ka, ma-stuck ka lang dito. Ayan na, nagagawa nito. Hindi pa rin nag-go. Nangasar ata. Yung mga yung iba slow, yung iba ata. Construction na time na, oh. Inalis na to. Design na Deals Auto Sales na sila, hindi na sila Action Motors. Ayan. So, dyan yung mga bumibili ng used car. Ayan, meron tayong construction dito. At tayo mag-slow down. At kaya construction, slow down, slow down. Ayan. So, ikaw ay pag may time, dapat ano walang 30 hours. 30
Stop.
hours. No? Diretso.
Kasi nag-stop siya eh.
No, inano niya, binaliktad niya para mag-go yung kabila. Hanggang ka naman sa ibang lane ka naman eh. Ayan ang ating araw. Si Mr. Sun. Yan daw yung ano eh, Son of God. Yan ang ating reference. Doon sa pag pinanood nyo yung Zeitgeist, Zeitgeist, EIST, yun yung sa YouTube, libre. Madaming may adenom pa siya. Yung mga reference ng mga Sun, kung bakit daw history ng Son of God, may 3 kings, yun yung 3 kings is yung sa 3 stars eh, sa ano, tapos basta doon reference sa lahat ng mga ancient civilization, merong reference doon sa the Son of God. It's the Sun. Tapos yung ano din, yung yun nga, yung sa Easter kaya died 3 days and then he rose again. Eto I'm just conveying it to you. I'm not really forcing it for you to learn, but for you to absorb. But yun lang yung napanood ko, so I'm just relaying it. Yan, Zeitgeist. Yan, ipapalitan na yung tires. Alisin yung lumang gulong na winter ibasura na. Tapos yung rims na gagamitin natin para ilagay yung summers. Tapos i-store natin tong winters kasi baka mapudpud lang eh. Yan, it's a busy environment, this one. Yan, tinanggal na yung tires. Yan, very efficient dito eh. Ang ganda ng araw ngayon natin. So ayan, checkin niya yung spare kung may butas o wala. Ayan sila, busy. Hindi natin ano, for privacy purpose, napakita ko lang sa inyo para alam nyo kung ano yung ano, pinaano ko na rin yung ano, yung spare tire para pag na-flatan. Pero yung sa tinanggal na ano na rims, the best tires doon sa 4, yun na ang ginamit para kasi butas na pala yung ano, yung spare. Ayan. Kaya ready to go na yan. Pag tayo gumawa niyan hindi natin kakayanin yan, wala tayong equipment, machine, so it's better na paggawa na lang sa iba, no? Yan, dito muna tayo. 7:30 ng gabi, may ano pa, maliwanag pa, kaya ito ang best times, no? Springtime is my favorite time of the year. Sa iba naman masyadong maulan, pero dito hindi naman maulan kasi dry nga yung weather dito sa west, kaya prone sa ano, forest fire. Kaya yan. Ano na ngayon, no? April 24. Yan. Oh, 8:25 na pala. Kala ko 7 pa lang. Bah, ano na? Mataas pa rin ang araw. Hanggang okay pagka ganitong panahon, no? Bala ko magbike sa weekend para magamit naman natin yung ano, mga park ng matagal na sa ano, sa garahe yung ating e-bike na binili last year nung summer. Yan, assemble natin. Next week may bago ng ano, Prime Minister, o makip pa rin kaya si Carney. So we'll see. So all along, liberals ng Canada at saka Democratic ng US, sila pala yung nagpupush ng green energy, no? All electric by 2035 o 2030. So yung kay Trump, kaya dinanalo si Trump dahil it's your choice if you wanna go electric or use gas, right? So right now, mahal ang hybrid electric compared to gas. But nung nilabas yung Ford Maverick, first time nilabas, ano mas mura eh. So right now it switch. So I don't know kung hindi dahil sa inaano nila from demand siguro, no? Kasi nung lumabas siya, ang daming demand, ang daming order. Yung Ford Maverick, naalala ko before 2025 yun eh. I think it's 2021 or during the pandemic. Tapos nung tinanong ko na ang Ford the next year after nung first year na lumabas, yung hybrid is mas mahal na kaysa dun sa gas na all-wheel drive. Nung una yung all-wheel drive na gas ang mas mahal. Yeah, kasi nga all-wheel drive, but parang mas inano nila yung hybrid na base nung una, tapos nung pangalawa na parang yun ang mas mahal. But I think it's comparable pa rin yung all-wheel drive, mas between the all-wheel drive and the gas. So yun yung second year, no, naging parang comparable pala. But then hindi pa sila gumagawa ata ng all-wheel drive na hybrid. I gotta check on that. Maverick, kasi yung unang, bago lumalabas yung Maverick, yun ang unang gusto kong kunin eh, kasi may lagayan nga sa loob, sa likod pala. Yan, tuloy natin, may duman kasi. So ngayon I have to see, I'm gonna see put the price in for the Maverick, Ford Maverick. So right now I'm contemplating of getting yung either Toyota or Honda and lease. So I'm thinking maybe stretch it out, and then after 3 years, para mas malit yung monthly payment, no, yung para mas lumaki yung disposable income mo for stuff. Kasi kung ano mo, may certain fixed income ka lang, tapos yung big chunk of that goes to those payments, lang ang disposable income. So the way you do that, even though it will go more towards the interest, but hopefully you'll have equity sa value ng car mo when it's time to, or after 3 years out of 5 years lease, para may equity ka, and then it'll go towards your new payment and you'll have a lower payment as well. Yung ganun ba, ganun ginagawa ng mga business person. Kasi kung Iniisip mo, i-own ko yan, but the value of it goes really low, or depreciates a lot lower than the house, right? The car, especially if it's like a American car. So that's why I only go either Toyota or Honda. Subaru is a Toyota. It's like a Toyota engine, but I think it's Japanese also, right? So we'll see. Cars for me are going point A to point B. It doesn't have to be fancy as long as it's reliable and it does not you know, get a chunk in my pocket. Yung insurance cost then is lower. So yung pagka meron kang yung nagsasabi sa'yo na brake and the alarm, yung kagaya sa Honda CRV, but it's number one dito sa Canada for most stolen dahil nga dun sa fob, no? Bilis nilang ma-program, kukunin lang nila yung frequency nung fob mo, key fob, and then they'll direct it to your car. They can start it. So as long as that frequency is on, it will run. So yan, yan ang modern cars ngayon. Dati yung mga duplicate key, yung mga tow truck drivers, usually they carry those. Gaya nung Nissan, ano ba yan, 240 SX or Integra ata yun. Yan yung Integra I had na snatch dun sa Bramalea City Center sa Brampton when I was working out at Good Life. Paglabas ko, kasama ko yung kaibigan ko, Sherwin D. Yeah, shout out from Ontario. Wala na yung car, but a week later the police found it in Scarborough, and then they just nagkalat yung mga papeles, tapos kinuha lang nila yung may yung parang detachable plate na radio, Kenwood or something like that. I forgot the brand name, but it's one of those. So yun, ngayon nagiging sophisticated na with the liberals. They just binibail out taga nila yung catch and release program na nilagay ko na sa vlog ko yun. I don't know if it's from Rap TV or Philcan Life or from Alberto, but yeah, sana mabago yung ano na yun, yung catch and release, unleash the economy of Canada. You know, balik tayo sa plastic, sa grocery plastic bags, kasi it doesn't make sense. You're gonna use paper bag or buy paper bag, but then yung mga binibili mo sa food, it's wrapped in plastic. Oh no! Gaya ng mga sa fish, saran wrap, right? Styrofoam, and that's plastic. Styrofoam is basically plastic. Tapos yung water bottle, it's plastic. So yung natawa nga ako dun sa straw, it's wrapped in plastic. So it doesn't make sense. It's just we just have to have common sense for now, and hopefully in the future it will benefit our our kids and grandchildren. So yeah, let's vote with common sense on this coming election, and don't put any more deficit or debt out of what we already been accumulated from the 10 years of the Liberals Trudeau. And so big payment, it means that we're trying to pay that. We're just going to pay the interest, and hindi na nawawala yung principal. So that's your purpose, right? So towards your principal, supposedly to lessen the burden of the debt. So yun lang. Have a good one.